Hunter's Hill is an attractive, historic peninsula that lies between the Parramatta and Lane Cove rivers on the north shore of Sydney Harbour. The suburb, a precursor to the Garden City movement, was subdivided in the 19th century, with sandstone mansions and Victorian timber cottages sitting side by side, with large gardens and private parks containing centuries-old trees. Behind vertical timber shutters, curved glass windows span from floor to ceiling. It was natural to choose stone and timber to build a new house on the edge of one of these private parks. Sydney sandstone has a slightly yellow hue that darkens and becomes more attractive over time. A top-hung sliding door glides out of the wall cavity to close off a fluid passage from the entry hall to the main living space. Designed for an uncluttered and relaxed family life, the house layout is very simple and quite Cartesian in plan, except for one sinuous wall overhanging the driveway. Every room opens to a terrace or the garden through large glass doors that slide on ball bearings. One can step outside without noticing the thresholds. Additionally, one can move fluidly from the entry to the open-plan living space while hardly noticing the floor-to-ceiling timber door that, when open, is entirely hidden in the wall, but when closed, completely separates the open-plan area from the rest of the house. Post-tensioned concrete slabs have been cantilevered with minimal steel post support to cover the main garden terrace. Le Corbusier had a famous saying, "Architecture is the magnificent play of masses brought together in light," illustrated here by the way the afternoon sunlight plays across the curved walls and ceiling bulkhead. The timeless materials provide a warm color palette in an otherwise contemporary construction. A lush tropical garden is framed by the deep covered terrace. All the bedrooms open up with no threshold doors, and slatted timber screens let the river breezes filter indoors. Behind the sandstone walls, huge double-glassed sky frame windows with minimal framing are pocketed out of sight.